Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to transfer your USDT from Revolut to KuCoin for trading or investing. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps quickly and safely. First off, why would you want to do this? Revolut is great for holding crypto, but KuCoin offers more advanced trading options, so moving your funds can open up new opportunities. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. A verified Revolut account with USDT in it, a KuCoin account that's set up and verified, and access to your two-factor authentication for security. Always double-check that your accounts are secure to protect your assets. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Navigate to your crypto section and select USDT. Here, you'll choose to withdraw or transfer it out. Make sure to select the external wallet option. Step 2. You'll need KuCoin's wallet address. Log into your KuCoin account on their website or app, go to the wallet section, and copy the USDT deposit address. Remember, USDT is usually on the Tron or Ethereum network, so double-check which one you're using to avoid network errors. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the KuCoin wallet address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and review the transaction details carefully. There might be a small fee, so factor that in. Once you're sure, hit confirm and authenticate with your security methods. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your KuCoin wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses to prevent losses. Also, keep an eye on any regulatory changes in 2025, as rules might affect transfers. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it, you've successfully sent USDT from Revolut to KuCoin. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.